A very good morning class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is advertisement industry in India. Dear class, advertisement plays a very important role in our life. Why? Because various type of products which are used in our daily basic needs are advertised through various type of medias like TV, radio, hoardings, newspaper. So these are the various elements of advertisement. So class, advertisement is a tool for communication that is used for selling products, ideas or services to a target audience. The primary objective is to convince the customer about the product and force the customer or make the product available so that they can buy the product. So this is all introduction about our advertisement. So now question arises, is advertisement is important for us? Yes. Why? Because it helps in marketing the product, provide information about the various type of products, and it is a form of communication. Communication means exchange of ideas, thoughts, symbol through various type of means of communication like verbal communication, non-verbal communication. So now let's start with the definition of advertisement. So basically, advertisement is derived from the Latin word which means to attract someone or to pay attraction or attention towards the product. It is a non-personal form of communication. Why? Because here all the products mostly sell in the form of a through advertisement like media. It is any paid of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas or products which can be identified sponsored through various medias. So in short, advertisement draw our attention towards various products which can help in describing them positively so that we become interesting in buying towards the product. That's why advertisements are found in several forms like print media, electronic media, and there are also various forms of advertisement. So class, different ways of advertise our product. So there are different ways, like here I can take first example of online networking. Here there are various type of products which can advertise through online networking like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, etc. Now, our second one is the newspaper ads. Newspaper plays a very important role in our life. Mostly type of advertisement can be advertised through products. So there is a particular column in a newspaper which is related with the newspaper advertisement. Like here in this slide, you can easily see that there is one column which is related with the advertisement of product. Here the producer can advertise their product. Why? For giving the information towards the customer. Next is the product placement advertisement. This is that part of advertisement which includes the various type of ads related to the movies, songs, etc. Our next one is the public service advertisement. Basically, this type of advertisement launched by the government. Why? For the welfare of the public. Government always work for the welfare of public. They can also advertise various type of notices and messages for the public like Swachh Bharat, Swachh Abhiyan, polio booth, etc. Now, last one is the television advertisement which is related with the products like if I want to advertise our product, I can also take a help of television media. Like in this picture, you can easily see that there are various type of products which can be advertised through television like Kurkure, Surf Excel and various products. So class, in short, it means advertisement play a very important role in our life. Why? Because all the basic necessary needs of our products can be advertised through various media. Now our next one is the changing face of advertisement. Yes, this statement is very right. Here the change in the modern concept of advertisement is totally changed. Why? The main aim of the producers is to sell their products by satisfying the customers. Like, if customers are happy, automatically they are earn more and more profit. So the main phase includes more focuses on the selling and more focuses on the customer goals, trademark, advertisement, follow the concept of branding, marketing, banner, etc. This is a breakup ratio of companies that they can spend their money on advertisement. Like here, I can take a various type of percentage like 47 percentage spends on advertisement, which includes television sector. Second one, 30% on the print media, 13% on digital communication like internet facilities, and last 10% the various companies can advertise product through cinemas and outdoor. So dear class, this is all about advertisement. So in short, there are various pros and cons of advertisement, but advertisement plays a very important role in our life. Why? Because our mostly basic products can be advertised through various type of medias. Government of India also uses advertisements for creating awareness about schemes that it has implemented. Social service organizations create awareness about various causes and benefits for a small family related to the education, etc. So, dear class, conclusion is that advertising is a tool for communication which is used for selling products, ideas or services to a target audience, and their main aim is to satisfy the customers by earning more and more profit. Now, thank you class. Have a great day ahead.